TikTok Shop affiliate program is a really big opportunity, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to take advantage of it. I can show you how much earning potential there is with the TikTok Shop affiliate. So as you can see here, today I've earned about $989, which shows you that it really does work. So yeah, it definitely has some solid potential. Today, I'll explain everything step by step so you can start your earnings or basically kick off your earnings for the long term through the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Basically, you can just start earning from home using your phone and internet. So first, let's understand what the TikTok Shop affiliate program actually is. As a TikTok Shop affiliate, you can promote other people's products. Whenever someone clicks on your promoted video link and buys that product, you earn a commission. And you already know how powerful TikTok is. There's no need for me to explain that. Now that we've understood what the TikTok Shop affiliate program is and how it works, let's look at how to get started. The very first step is to create an account for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now, there are two ways to do this. The first way is if you already have 5,000 followers. If you do, you can just go into TikTok's creator tools and apply directly for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. If you don't have 5,000 followers yet, there's another way to do it, which I'll explain after we go through the process for those who do have the followers. So first, let's see how to create a TikTok affiliate account if you already have those 5,000 followers. All right, so let me just show you on my screen how to do this. First, I've opened my TikTok account and you'll see those three lines at the top. That's basically the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. Then you'll see an option called Creator Tools, and you'll want to tap on that. After that, you'll see something related to monetization. Just click on View All, and there you'll find an option called TikTok Shop for Creator. When I click on that, you can see that I'm eligible. All right, so up to now, we've talked about the process if you have 5,000 followers. But if you have 0 followers, you can still set up a TikTok Shop affiliate account. Let me show you how. First, you just need to have a TikTok account, any account, whether it's new or old. Then head over to Google and search for TikTok Shop Seller. Click on the option that says Sell More on TikTok Shop, and then just log in there. There will be a few steps you need to complete, but once you do that, you'll link this seller account with your TikTok account, and that's it. Your shop affiliate account will be ready to go, even if you have 0 followers. All right, so now that we've registered the account and got everything set up, it's time to find a product. Let's learn how to do that. I'm on my TikTok profile now, and you'll see a little bag icon. Just click on that, and that will switch you over to an interface where you can see the product marketplace option. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll find tons of products there. You can search for products at the top or just browse through and see what's available. They'll show you the prices and how much commission you can earn. So, based on whatever's trending or whatever looks good to you, just do a little research and pick a product. So first of all, you need to pick a product that you want to create a promotion video for. For example, I have taken a product, a bracelet, because right now these are trending. I chose this product from TikTok Shop because it is going viral right now. Then you want to find a reference video, something that has a human in it, or a style of promotion you want to imitate. So for your reference video, you can pick any product that has a style you like. Just find a product that has videos you think are a good fit, and you'll see that videos with this product option. There will be plenty of videos in there, so just download 1 or 2 that you like. And I have taken a reference video of this girl who is promoting a watch. We're going to use that as our reference video to create a similar style for our product. So, everyone's using AI to create promotional videos for their affiliate marketing. But how can you use AI to make a video that really stands out from that crowd of AI videos and is truly high quality and high-end content? All right, so when it comes to making a promotion video, one of the most powerful tools out there is VMake. It's basically an AI video tool designed especially for e-commerce and social media marketers. It really helps small businesses and creators make user-generated content ads super quickly, and it makes it easy to create authentic videos without a lot of effort. Basically, it speeds up your content creation and makes everything super straightforward. So, once you come over to the VMake screen, you'll see an interface that looks something like this. On the side, you can log in. I've already done that. Then you'll see an option that says recreate product video. Just click on that here. Basically, this is going to help you make a new promotion video using that reference video we downloaded. So you'll upload the reference video. All right, so here in the reference video, I'll put in this video of the girl who is promoting a watch, and in the product section, I'll put this bracelet. Then if you scroll down, you can also add the product description, and below that, you'll find the generate option for credits. When you click on that, your video generation will start. And here you can see how it has created such a nice product and given you a promotion video.
Is the AP Mini Royal Oak worth it? Let's find out. I bought this watch 6 months ago for $71,000, and it is now worth over $100,000.
Is this geometric gemstone bracelet the ultimate everyday piece? Let's find out. Look at this alternating sequence. The Marquise cut green stones paired with these micro-pavé clear crystals on a...
Okay, let's take another example. This time, in the reference video, I'm putting a video of another girl who is promoting an eyeshadow. And in the product section, I'm adding a sunscreen. This is a well-known Indian baby and skincare brand. And VMake can automatically recognize original products and customize the language personally for each product. You don't have to add too much more, but if you want, you can put in a product description or any details you like. After that, just click on the generate button and VMake will start processing. In just a few moments, it'll create a polished video that looks like it was shot in a professional studio. You'll see the difference.
One and done single eyeshadow is the Makeup by Mario Master Matte's Cream Shadow in the shade Sandstone. This is just kind of like my skin tone.
Hate heavy sunscreens? Then you must have this sunscreen too. Just look at the glow, guys. It glides so smoothly on your skin. Packed with vitamin C and turmeric, SPF 50. No white cast at all. Super affordable.
It only takes about 10 minutes with VMake's help. So that's how we turned a simple reference video into an awesome product promotion video. It's pretty cool how you can just take that inspiration and use a tool like VMake to quickly create something that looks really professional. So yeah, that's the whole process. And yeah, VMake even gives you an option for UGC style videos, which just shows how helpful it is. Basically, VMake is a tool that can meet all your needs for affiliate marketing videos, because here you get the option for editing as well as automatic subtitles, which means once you're here, you don't need to switch to any other tool. You can handle all your affiliate marketing videos tasks right here. All right, so you've made your promotional video, but now the question is how to upload it on TikTok and add your product link so you can earn a commission. I'm going to show you this whole process with a brand new, fresh account. So first, you need to go into your account and then go into the Create a Store section. After that, you'll see an option called TikTok Shop for Creators. Click on that, and then you'll follow a few steps. In just a little while, you'll see an option for the product marketplace. Click on that, and you'll find a whole bunch of products there. You just pick any product you want and click Add. Once you click Add, it gets added to your showcase. Now, when you create a video, let's say you make a short 4-second video. After you make the video, you'll click on Add Link. When you click Add Link, you'll see the option to add a product. You just choose that product and click Add. Then, when you post the video, that product link is attached to it. So that's the process. If anyone buys through that link on your video, you get the commission. That's how you add the link. So basically, the TikTok Shop affiliate program is a really great opportunity for you to start earning. And in this video, I've explained the whole process. If you have any doubts, you can watch the video again. So yeah, the TikTok Shop affiliate is a pretty big thing and it has a lot of potential. According to me, you should definitely give it a try. And yeah, you can earn thousands of dollars monthly with just a little bit of work. I've also explained really well how you can create your promotion video using just one tool for everything. So yeah, you should definitely give it a try. All right, give it a try and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.